Oh, hello, my friends. I'm Mr. Joe. Can everybody say, hello, Mr. Joe? Hello. Oh, what am I up to today? Well, I'm down here at the garden picking some kale. I just found a great recipe that the man in overalls suggested.
Here are two different kinds of kale, curly kale and lacinato kale. The curly is the kind that most people know, and it makes awesome kale chips. What you do is you just toss it in a little olive oil, shake some salt and pepper on it, put them in the oven to bake, and then you've got kale chips. Delicious.
I am so excited to make this kale recipe. Oh, thanks, man in overalls. But first, of course, we have to wash our kale. Oh, so what I like to do is I take a colander. Look at this beautiful blue colander. Oh, I will toss my kale inside. Oh, and I'll just scrub it up. Oh, now that our kale is nice and clean, it's time to pull the leaves off the stem. Oh, but you see these nice thick parts? You could leave them on if you want to, but I like to pull them off. Oh, so you just take it and you tear them off. Wow, look at all of these kale leaves. Oh yes, we pulled them all off these stems right here. See right here? Yeah. Oh, but we can still put these to good use. I'm gonna put them in the compost so that we can put them back into the garden later to help the new plants grow. Oh, now it's time to prep our kale. Oh, don't forget your olive oil. Next, we're gonna add our salt. Can everybody say salt? Yeah. Sprinkle it on top, just like this. Sprinkles. Let's add a little pepper. Oh, and this is my favorite secret ingredient, nutritional yeast. I like to call it nooch. Then make sure everything is nice and spread out. And now that our kale is all nice and ready, oh, you can grab your adult and they can put it in the oven for you, just like this. Oh, now we're gonna leave it in there for about 15-20 minutes. We're gonna check it every now and then when it looks nice and crispy, oh, it'll be ready to take out. Oh, look at them. Oh, they look amazing. Oh, time to turn off the oven. Oh, look, they look just like chips. I'm gonna see who I can get to help me eat this. Oh, but I can't wait to hear about you making your own kale at home. Until next time, my friends, remember, stay safe, wash your hands, and be kind. Bye!